इसके लिए हम सबका दायित्व बनता है। जितने भी हम साधु महात्मा जितने संत हैं सबको जनहित के लिए निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा।
प्रशासन से आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि जो भी हमारे जितने श्रद्धालु यहाँ हैं वो संयम बनाए रखें और इस समय मैं समझता हूँ समय उचित नहीं है और जहाँ जहाँ भी आप खड़े हैं वहाँ आप रहें और वापस अपने जहाँ से आप आए वापस चले जाइए, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
कुंभ से भी ज्यादा इस बार भक्त आ रहे हैं, तो भक्तों से भी आपको मैसेज संदेश?
नहीं, भक्तों को हमने निवेदन किया है। मैं अपील करता हूँ कि देखिए आज संयम बनाए रखें और जिनका स्नान हो गया वो स्नान करें और जैसे आप जो हमारी पुलिस आपकी सेवा में लगी है, जैसे आपको वो आदेश मिलता है वैसे आप सहयोग करें, वैसे आप फॉलो करें और आपके हित में जो है निर्णय लिए गए हैं। सरकार ने निर्णय लिया है, संतों ने लिया है, पूरे संत समाज आपके साथ है, सरकार आपके साथ है, भक्तों के साथ है और जैसे सरकार आपको जो भी घाट दिखाते हैं वहाँ पे आप स्नान करें।
क्या कुछ इंसिडेंट बड़ा हुआ है क्या?
नहीं, देखिए अभी इसकी कोई पुष्टि नहीं हुई है, अभी पता चल जाएगा। पुष्टि नहीं हुई है, अभी पुष्टि नहीं हुई है।
क्या तय किया है आप लोगों ने?
देखिए ये हमने निर्णय लिया है कि आज का जो स्नान है, आज का स्नान हमने निरस्त किया हुआ है और इसको देखते हुए आज का स्नान।
Live reactions that are now coming in from Prayagraj on the ongoing Mahakumbh and this stampede-like situation, however, that had unfolded, and reports that are now coming in, Akansha, that when it comes to the snan of certain akhadas that have also been affected, there has already been a delay that has now been reported as far as the today's Amrit Snan is concerned.
Well, absolutely, Amita. All the akhadas, in fact, starting with Mahanirvani Akhada, they were supposed to pass through this area at around 5 o'clock and go towards the Sangam Ghat. But because of the stampede-like situation, is what we're learning is that the akhadas have now been suspended for some time. As you can see, there's a lot of police presence right here. This specific area has been made for the passage of akhadas, for the passage of Naga sadhus, etc. But now you can see that the security has been heightened here. They are trying to streamline this specific route and other routes as well. And when the crowd in fact lessens, is what we are learning, that the akhadas will again resume from their specific locations. But for now, starting 5 o'clock, akhadas were to pass from this specific locations. But for now, they have been suspended. In fact, you can see a lot of people have gathered here. Some of them since 9 o'clock at night waiting to see Naga sadhus. But for now, because of the crowd and because of the crowd management as well, the police has now suspended the procession of akhadas from here. You can see heightened security here, fire department services. You can also see there's an ambulance placed right there, along with a lot of police presence in this specific area, so that you know, this entire area can be managed properly. And when the crowd will lessen during the day, is we are learning that the akhadas will resume their procession.
Right. What about the people there? Because as far as those who have been affected, it is still not officially confirmed the number of people who have been injured in this stampede-like situation. But how exactly is the police and the authorities and the administration there in a bid to not have this situation again, build up again in Prayagraj in the ongoing Mahakumbh Akansha? What measures are now being taken in to contain the situation?
Well, Amita, as I was telling you, I was also part of one of that crowd, and what I saw was people were really confused which way to take. There are a lot of areas that have been designated for people to, in fact, go towards the Sangam nose, and people were really confused, and there was a lot of crowd at one specific location. So the reason for why that stampede-like situation arose is still not clear. How many people have received injuries is also not clear. But what we're learning through our sources, that all of them who received injuries have been rushed to the hospital. Hospital is hardly 1 kilometer away from this specific location. At every location, we've been witnessing from the last 2 weeks that there are several ambulances who are alert 24/7. So they were taken to the nearby hospital and they are receiving injuries. But definitely, people are also alert right now because what we're learning is that for now, the Snan has also been stopped for people because of the crowd, and that is why there's now more crowd that is gathering at this specific location, that is the Sangam nose.
All right, as we are staying with those pictures live that are now coming in, and to your right, our few devotees who are reported to be injured have been shifted to the hospital. However, we are looking at already when it comes to measures that have now been taken up. Akansha can also vouch for that. Akansha, when it comes to the area which has already been declared as a no vehicle zone for the next few days, as the administration has also been making appeal to the local residents to avoid using four-wheelers if they are carrying any senior citizens to the Sangam. So how exactly is it now looking as far as the people there to commute? Do they have to walk for several kilometers?
Well, Amita, all the vehicle passes have been cancelled starting Republic Day till February 3rd. That was part of the official order that was given by the local administration here. They had cancelled all the vehicle passes. So starting at the start of the Mela till here, that is around 3 to 4 kilometers, one has to walk. And there are several lanes which have been designated so that crowd can be managed, and people take those specific lanes only, and they cannot turn back and go to another lane. And for that you can see that these specific areas, they have been separated as well. So these are the arrangements that have been made so that the crowd goes to Sangam and then also returns from a different way, so that two devotees who are going or coming back do not come face to face. So this is what the police has kept in mind while making arrangements here. But because 8 to 10 crore people are expected to come here, and in the visuals you can see sea of devotees, and right now millions and millions of people are present in this specific area. Definitely sometimes there are a few issues which arises, and that is what the police here is trying to manage. There's the ambulance right here as well. There's heightened security as well in this area. Police is trying to manage the crowd, but at specific locations is what we witnessed firsthand, that people are very confused which way to go. There are no signs to lead people towards Sangam, and hence people are going here and there and are getting confused, and that is why there is crowding in one specific location and there is no crowding in another. So this is the situation right here. But as far as vehicles are concerned, they are not allowed in the Mela area. In this entire stretch, it is not allowed. So people are walking from railway station to Sangam Nose, covering at least 12 to 15 kilometer distance, because this entire area has been made no vehicle zone. This is vehicle free zone. So just to control the crowd, all these decisions have been taken by the police. But we've been speaking to a lot of people here, and they're saying that they are okay with walking for kilometers. आप चल के आए हैं पूरा रेलवे स्टेशन से?
15
किलोमीटर चल के आए?
हाँ, चल का इधर से भी उतना 30 किलोमीटर टोटल डिस्टेंस।
आप भी चल के आए हैं?
यस मैम, हम भी चल के आए।
कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई?
नहीं मैम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कन्वेंस भी नहीं है, पर किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं, सब अपनी मस्ती में भक्ति में मस्त हैं।
मस्ती में सब, है ना?
मैम थोड़ा सा रोड डाइवर्जन हुआ जिससे हम लोग को परेशानी हुआ।
अच्छा, कहाँ पे हुआ रोड डाइवर्जन?
ये रोड डाइवर्जन हुआ मेन त्रिवेणी संगम नए पुल के सामने। हाँ हाँ, क्राउड थी।
हम लोग को तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही, बट सीनियर सिटीजन है और छोटे बच्चे जो महिलाएं हैं उन लोग
को चलना पड़ रहा है।
चलना पड़ना थोड़ा उन लोग के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है।
उनके लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक व्हीकल नहीं दिया जा रहा है।
लेन भी सेपरेट नहीं है, वुमेन्स के लिए लेन भी सेपरेट लेन नहीं है, कॉमन लेन ही है, तो बच्चे को सिर पे रख के फिर आ रहे हो।
आप भी चल के आए हैं?
हाँ मैम,
रेलवे स्टेशन से?
हाँ मैम, रेलवे स्टेशन से, पर ये है कि थोड़ा ट्रैफिक का वो है पंगा।
अच्छा।
हाँ, बाकी यहाँ का इंतजाम सही है, लेकिन बाहर ट्रैफिक
तो सारी हैं, हम ऐसे नहीं कह सकते योगी जी ने कुछ नहीं किया, बहुत कुछ किया है। अब हम कहीं बस से, अब एक बस तो है नहीं, 500 बस से हैं, उसको आने के लिए समय भी तो चाहिए ना। तो हर एक प्रकार की सुविधा है, अब कोई एक जने के लिए नहीं है, या करोड़ों दुनिया आई है। सबसे बड़ी बात है योगी जी का, मोदी जी का सबसे बड़ा आभार है कि एक जगह पर पूरे वर्ल्ड के लोगों को ला करके इकट्ठा कर दिया। इसीलिए एक बार कह दो
16 लाख लोगों की कैपेसिटी है प्रयागराज में। अगर यहाँ पे 5 करोड़ लोग आ जाएंगे तो बड़ा ऑब्वियस यहाँ पे कुछ असुविधाएं हो सकती हैं, बट जो भी है बहुत अच्छी है।
फिर भी वेल मेंटेन्ड है, फिर भी ये वेल मेंटेन्ड है।
आप कितने बजे आए हो आप सब लोग?
मैं तो मैम परसों ही आ गया था।
अच्छा।
परसों से यही हूँ मैं।
इस लोकेशन में कब आए हैं?
इस लोकेशन में मैं रात को 9 बजे आ
तब
गया।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी?
नहीं नहीं मैम।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से आए?
जी मैं वाराणसी से आया हूँ।
आप भी पूरा पैदल चल के आए हैं, कैसी लगी आपको सुविधा यहाँ पे, व्यवस्था?
जी मैम।
So Akansha, if you can ask them that what time that they expect to take the snan, because have they been given any information if they are allowed to take the snan, what time will it happen?
सुविधा सही है। अभी हम लोग नागा साधु को देखने के लिए यहाँ पे खड़े हैं। बाकी
आप लोगों ने स्नान कर लिया है अभी?
मैंने स्नान कर लिया।
आपने रात को कर लिया होगा?
जी रात को भी किया, मैंने 3 बार स्नान कर चुका हूँ।
अभी करने दे रहे हैं स्नान?
अभी स्नान बंद है।
अभी मैम स्नान किए हैं।
स्नान अभी शाही स्नान पे रोक है अभी।
शाही स्नान के बाद हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं। शाही स्नान जैसे हो जाएगा
अब नागा साधु के स्नान के बाद ही हम स्नान कर पाएंगे।
हाँ, वही रूल होता है कि नागा साधु पहले स्नान करते हैं फिर करते हैं।
अब अमृत स्नान होगा, शाही अमृत स्नान।
Alright, so you heard the people right here. They are saying that they have to walk from the railway station to this specific location for several kilometers, but they are absolutely okay with that.
All right, as the people there, you can see they are thronging there as far as when it comes to the ghats. And of course, the arrangements that have been made, you can see a lot of presence of the security forces that can be seen on ground. And this has been expected because today around 10 crore people who are now expected when it comes to marking the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, and the second biggest, the Shahi Snan or the Amrit Snan, that would be taking place. But according to the UP government, the figures that have been shared till now, Akanksha, on the occasion of the first Snan that fell on the on Makar Sankranti, which was on the 14th of January alone, 3.5 crore devotees, sons who had participated in the Amrit Snan. We are hoping that when it comes to the record today is likely to be broken after today's Mauni Amavasya occasion, that the Amrit Snan would be allowed shortly after the Naga Sadhus take the holy dip. But